Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, and we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices these days are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have an LG Aristo 5 that is originally from Metro here in the U.S., Metro by T-Mobile, also previously known as Metro PCS. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because we have a different carrier SIM card inserted here. And we can first see that it says service provider locked up there in the corner. And then if we swipe away the lock screen, we also get this message telling us that the device is network locked and it can be remotely unlocked if eligible using the device unlock app that Metro preloads onto the phone. And now Metro will do the SIM unlock for you for free if you meet all of the requirements. They generally require that you be the original owner of the device, that you have it, fully paid off, and that you not past due on any bills or anything like that. But then they also require that you have the device active with them for 6 whole months before they will do the SIM unlock for you for free. Now every carrier is going to have their own requirements when it comes to that as far as how long you have to have the device active with them. Metro is one of the longest that we've seen though at 6 months. A lot of other carriers are 2 months, so 60 days or less. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us to assist them with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from Metro before fully completing the 6-month requirement, or the other thing that happens a lot these days, unfortunately, with the buying and selling of used mobile devices is that a dishonest seller will sell a device to a buyer and tell them that either it's already unlocked or they'll claim that it's already eligible to be unlocked directly through the carrier, and it's actually not true. So the buyer will buy the phone and then the seller disappears and the buyer discovers that they had lied and it wasn't true. The device is not unlocked and it appears to not be usable with them. So it's an unfortunate scam that happens a lot these days. So we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this device SIM unlocked without having to go directly through Metro and meet all of their requirements. It's actually something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer. And the great thing about that is that it's something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right through the internet to your computer and do the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now to the phone. As we speak, we're actually running our unlock program on it so that you guys can actually see the after effects of how the phone responds and behaves after it's unlocked. Our program needs just another minute or two to finish running up here, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video to skip ahead to the end just so we can keep this as short as possible. So hold on while this runs through. Okay, so we should be all finished up now. The phone has restarted. Obviously, as you can see, we haven't done anything to the phone itself, like trying to have it unlocked officially through Metro or anything like that. So this is not a scam. We're actually showing you everything here step by step. So now that the device has restarted, if we look up in the corner, we won't see that service provider lock message anymore. We actually just see the name of the carrier that we're running on, which is T-Mobile. So actually, even though T-Mobile owns Metro, Metro's phones do have to be SIM unlocked in order to be used with a T-Mobile SIM card. So it will give you all of those error messages on a Metro phone with a T-Mobile SIM inserted if the phone has not yet been SIM unlocked. So if we swipe away the lock screen there, we can see that we go directly to the home screen and we don't have that secondary lock message that we were seeing before. And so I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the settings to show you exactly what we're working with here. So if we go under System and then about, and then if we go to network, we will indeed be able to see that we are registered and running on T-Mobile. We've got our LTE signal set up there and enabled, and everything looks like it's working great. So if you have a Metro PCS LG Aristo 5 and need help getting its SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.